Hello everyone, this is a hot-selling classic wall clock Wi-Fi camera, which is with very good quality compared to the other clock cameras in the market. Let me show the difference. First is the in front glasses. It is with very super hard material. You can punch it hard. It will not broken. Yeah, and it is with 2 mega lens here with very good quality video and the 15-degree downward view, so you can see the whole room but not a straightaway video angle. And in the back there is an Ethernet port here. You can connect the LED cable to the item for a very fast setup for the Wi-Fi camera. Yeah, with the camera connect to Wi-Fi, you can see a live video anywhere in the world. It is very useful for home security, office security, warehouse security. Yeah, thank you.